Huge news in the real estate world this week. We're seeing reports that the White House announced plans to ban institutional investors from buying single-family homes and asking Congress to codify it into law. Hi, I'm Alan Tosca with Tosca Realty at Keller Williams Gateway Realty. Ann and I are real estate professionals, not political commentators. We look at market data and filter out noise and explain how headlines like these affect the New Hampshire and Massachusetts market, helping you make informed, fact-based decisions for your family and your portfolio. Currently, this is just a proposal. What might this proposal mean specifically for New England? Let's break it down. First, let's be clear. This is a directive from the White House, not a bill or a law passed by Congress. We're in the proposal stage, so nothing changes overnight. The national narrative circulating is that this is going to crash the home prices and let regular folks finally buy homes. But if you're looking to buy in Burlington, Massachusetts or sell in Nashua, New Hampshire, does this national headline actually reflect your local reality? I don't think it's that simple, and here's why. First, we have to ask the multi-billion-dollar question: how will institutional investors be defined? Are we talking about massive megacorps and hedge funds owning 1,000+ homes? Or is this ban trickling down to local developers, small LLCs, and mom-and-pop landlords who own 1, 5, 10 units? The details aren't out yet, and where the line is drawn changes everything. If the ban focuses on megacorps like Invitation Homes, American Homes for Rent, Progress Residential, and BlackRock, the impact could be significant in the Sun Belt. Places like Atlanta, Dallas, Houston, Phoenix, and Las Vegas. In those markets, Wall Street algorithms sometimes buy 25% of the starter homes. There, this would cool things down pretty fast. But here's the reality check for our area. Massachusetts and New Hampshire are not Arizona or Texas. Wall Street mega landlords generally don't target New England. Why? For the big Wall Street investors' algorithms, our prices are too high, and our housing stock is too old for their algorithms to trigger a buy. However, we do have plenty of small local investors, people that are intimate with the local markets, that are flipping houses or buying multifamilies in Nashua, Manchester, Chelmsford, or Tewksbury. So if an eventual law only bans giants, it's likely a non-event for us. Our prices are too high because of supply and demand. Low inventory, not Wall Street hedge funds and mega investors. But if any final legislation is broad in its definition of institutional investors and restricts or flat out bans small investors too, that could actually disrupt our local market, potentially lowering competition for fixer-uppers and small 2 to 4 unit multifamily homes. But if the supply of rental units dries up, we could see a spike in rents. So here's the bottom line. For buyers, sellers, renters, the worst thing you can do is make a life-changing financial decision based on a headline that hasn't even been written into law yet. The best strategy right now and always is to stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Ann and I are monitoring the specific language of this proposal and the local market as a whole. As soon as we have more details, like who is officially on the ban list, we'll bring it to you and talk about how this hits our local market. Just remember, follow facts, not hype, not fear. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.